Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Data IQ. Have you ever wondered why your resume was rejected? What are the points you are missing out in your resume because of that your resume was rejected? First we'll see what data suggested. Data suggested that resumes get rejected for a variety of reasons, primarily due to mismatch between the candidate's qualifications and the job requirements or due to errors in the resume itself. ATS-friendly resume matters because increase your chance of being seen by human. Most companies, specifically large ones, use ATS software to filter out resumes before a recruiter even look at them. But first we'll see how your resume is ATS unfriendly. Either it's a complex layout with tables, columns, or graphics that you have used lots of graphics in your resume, images or logos, you have used lots of images or logos in your resume, custom fonts or icons, your fonts are not customs, or you have used some icons like phone icons, email icons in your resume as seen in this image that here it has used LinkedIn icons, email icons that it can't be read by an ATS software. Then your fonts are unified in the whole resume. Then infographic styles and timelines saved as PDF with non-selectable text like from a graphic design tools. Profile picture at the top, even your profile picture is not read by ATS software. We'll also see a template which you can use to create your own resume. But first see what are the points you have to keep in mind while creating your resume as an ATS friendly. Relevant key, you have to write a relevant keywords, clear heading like work experience skills, like this is a sample that it look likes. Then proper formatting, it should be a proper formatted. Then understand the job description, that you have to understand the job description and write the same keywords or matched keywords in your resume so that an ATS software can read match those keywords and provide you an proper score. Before that we'll see how to create an ATS friendly resume. I'll provide you a free sample also so that you can utilize that. So this is how ATS friendly resume looks like. So I'll describe each paragraph and each section of this resume so that you can edit your resume or you can create your resume from the scratch. You can pause this video anytime, look into the descriptions or the headings and use the same thing in your resume. So this is first is full name that you have to provide. First section is your information that you have to give. So it's a full name. You have to provide your name, your phone number, no logos, just provide your phone number with code, like if you're India +91 and then your number. Then you have to provide the city, email should be a clickable, and LinkedIn URL. If you have a LinkedIn page, you can provide that LinkedIn URL, that should be also a clickable, so that if somebody clicks on it, it should redirect to your LinkedIn profile page directly. Then the other section is summary section, that you have to write a brief description about you, about yourself, what are the skills, from where you have done your bachelor's, in which specialization you have done your bachelor's, and your academic training. This is a sample that I have written for freshers. You can use this as well, or you can modify it as per your specialization, whatever you have done. You can also include the key points like strong and problem solving abilities, because you are a fresher, you don't have any experience that you can include, so you can write this type of words like strong problem solving abilities proven through academic projects involving Python, Java, and web technologies. Whatever you have skills and you have experience on that, you can write it. Eager to apply a technical and analytical skills, you can use the same keywords also, just optimize it or tweak it as per your experience and whatever your skills are, and you can use the same thing as well, because I tried for the I have written this for the freshers. Then you have the another section is about your educations, from where you have done your university. See, the font should be in the same manner. University name, degree and specialization. GPA is your optional, whether you want to write it or not, it's fine. Course and duration, date from and to. That's it, nothing much more on that. Second will be the second highest education you have done, name of high schools, and course and date from that, like science you have done, and from time to what time. The third part is, third section is skills, whatever skills you have, like as this is for computer science and engineering, so I have written skills according to that. Languages like Python, Java, C++, SQL, JavaScript, you can add on more, it's fine, you can decrease it as well based on your experience or whatever you have learned, because whatever you are writing here in these sections, person is going to ask that only. So it was going to analyze your skills based on that, whatever written in this single page resume, recruiter is going to ask that only. Then if you have skills on web development like HTML, CSS, React, you can write that. Whatever database you have worked on, you can write that. MySQL, MongoDB, tools and platform, what tools you have worked on, and CS fundamental or data structure algorithm, all those things you can add. Even you can omit some few pointers from your resume as well, because if you have not worked on, please do remove that, otherwise it will create a problem while giving an interview. So another section is like projects in your college, whatever project you have worked on. Obviously in the last semester you might have worked on few projects, you can write it down there and keep it a very minimal and point it out. Heading and pointers, whatever you have done, not a very lengthy one, very to be precise, you have to be precise, because you have to complete this template resume into a single page, so that and whoever is reading it can go every points in a single page, it doesn't have to change pages. So keep that in mind and write into pointers. So how many, whatever projects you have done, point it out and write it down. Even you have done, also have done the internship, the next section will be your internship. If you have not done, remove this section, it's fine, but if you have done, please write the internship, which company and month and year, means which year you have worked on. And to be precise, again you have to be precise, whatever you have done, write it there. I have written as per my knowledge. You can use the same template or you can edit it however you want. And at the very last that you have to write achievement and certification, whatever certification you have done or whatever achievements, like in internship they might have, you are doing very well, they'll give you some awards, rewards, that also you can point out. Or in hackathon you have done something, that also you can point out. Or you have done some courses on Coursera, Udemy, edX, or any certification you have done one, that also you can point out the heading and what course you have done. That's it. Again you have to be very precise, so you have to create this resume in a single page, and whatever is not required, not relevant as per your experience, remove that and save it. You have to save your resume very precisely. Just says as your name, whatever name, like Raj, you have your name is Raj, and resume dot pdf. That's it. You don't have to write unethical thing. You have to write, you have to be very precise while saving it as well. Keep in your mind, whenever you are applying for any job, go through the job description as well and try to put those keywords, like they are looking for SQL, they are looking for Java, they are looking for backend developers. So try to implement those keywords anywhere in your resume, so that whenever ATS is reading it, it's trying to match with that keywords. So if it's there in your keyword, it will help you to get a good score in ATS. So try to optimize that keywords as well. So I hope this template is helpful to you, so that you can create your own resume. Please like, subscribe and comment.